welcome back to my channel. So it's currently like 9 fucking o'clock at night, and I told you I'd post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, so here I am Monday night at 9 o'clock recording the video, and then I'm gonna have to spend like hours editing the video because procrastination should basically be my middle name because I'm a mess. Yeah, you are. As you can see, I didn't even care about the setup today. I just had to get the fucking video done. So Jemiah is literally laying in my bed in the background. She's back there. Don't mind her. Today, I'm just gonna do something simple and easy because I feel like I have a lot of powerful like makeup looks that I've done that are like crazy and creative, and I think they're cool to look at. But I think I should have some more versatile stuff on my channel, especially stuff that, you know, people on a daily basis will actually like want to know how to do and wear. I have a lot of people that ask me what I do, so all I'm doing is showing you. So I'm just going for like a basic natural like foundation, eyeliner, eyelashes, a little bit of bronzer. I'm not going into like a crazy eyeshadow look or anything like that. Showing you what I do basically on a daily basis because I don't wear those crazy looks every day. If I had the time, I would. I stay up till 4 in the morning and then wake up 30 minutes before I have to be somewhere. So that's my life. First, I just start off with some of the e.l.f. mineral infused face primer that is currently covered in like dirt and dust because I'm trashy and forget to clean up my stuff before a YouTube video. Just have to deal with it. So basically, I just apply the primer. I don't really put it all over my face. I put it like right here, just where I have like problem areas and pores, because like I really don't have pores on my forehead and stuff. I don't know, some people do, I guess. I don't know, I don't really look at people's pores. Do you look at people's pores? Jemiah, do you look at people's pores? I just don't think people look at each other's pores. That's that. Look how sweaty it just made me look. Like I look like a grease ball. That's what I look like. If that's what I look like, I'm sorry. You're seeing the true me, the stressful me, the mid-crisis me, the first day back to college me. The only downside to having bangs is like when I do my makeup, I have to like push them back in this weird position and then I look like a redneck. So I use the Tarte Shape Tape foundation and I have like a lot of redness, so I just kind of go in, you know? After I have all of my foundation on and I basically look like I just caked my face, because that's literally what I did, I'm going to take some of the Airspun powder, which I know a lot of you use already, and set all of this in place. Otherwise, if like Tarte is one of them brands where like they're really good as long as you set it. Otherwise you'll have like separation, you'll sweat it off. It's just not it. Next, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this e.l.f. contouring palette and use this shade right here because I'm super pale and I can't go any darker. You throw on some contour and poof, now you have two. So next I'm going in with this eyeliner. It's by Deluxe. It's called Perfect Eyeliner and it's waterproof, and I use this like every morning. So this is actually where I get a lot of questions, is like about my eyeliner. I'm trying to explain to you guys the best way how I do it. Let me think while I do it. Obviously, my first step is I just make the outline right here. And don't worry, you see this? Optics. So yeah, that's how I start off. I literally just do a line. And then I go for the wing, because go big or go home. So what I do is I start like on the top of my eyeliner, and I just kind of wing it out. That's not a pun. And it looks like trash, right? Yeah. But then I just go from the bottom and I drag it up. And then I fill it in. And then I will just fill it in some more. Okay, so once I have both eyes with my eyeliner on, and they're not twins, and I never care, I don't make them perfect, because if I try to make them perfect, then I just end up getting pissed and having raccoon eyes and having to restart everything. So I just leave them be, and they end up looking fine. I'm using the Benefit They're Real mascara. It's honestly my favorite. Before I put eyelashes on, I just kind of go in and give a coat of mascara to help stick the other lashes to it. Abort mission. I've lost my lashes. Okay, I found the lashes. If you have me on Snapchat and you've had me on Snapchat for a while, you've probably seen like 5 videos of me ranting because I always lose my lashes after spending like $20 on them. I'm just always gonna be a girl that loses her eyelashes. I take my eyelash and I use the Kiss glue. I need a new one. I know it's dirty. Leave me alone, don't come for me. I used to have such a problem with like applying false eyelashes. That's because I always try to apply them like while the glue was wet. So the trick is literally just like applying a thin line and then letting the eyelash dry for like a good 20-30 seconds.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, after I apply my eyelashes, I just let them dry for a few seconds. Or I make them dry. I'll go back over with my actual mascara and just kind of like, and then there's gonna be times where you just fucking fuck everything up like I just did, because you're fucking fuck up like me, you know? Now that I am done with that, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub and get this foundation the heck off my lips. So I literally just take a little bit of this on my finger and throw it in. When I'm done with that, I just go like wipe off the excess. Okay, so after I wipe that off, I go in with a little bit of chapstick. And typically after this, I'll just put on like a lip gloss, but both of mine are in my car and I'm too much of a lazy bitch to go down there and get them. So I will put on this hot pink lipstick because I'm wearing pink and who cares. Okay, so yeah, that is literally all I do every morning for the typical short and sweet makeup look. Typically I don't even have the lipstick on, it's just lip gloss, and I do wear my hair just like this, up in a ponytail or sometimes down. Yeah, so that's literally all I do. I figured I would at least do one video to show you guys, you know, something that more of you might actually use and wear and like. But don't worry, I will continue doing the other videos as well. If you'd like to purchase one of these shirts, by the way, that I am wearing, let me know. I have about like 20 left, so in different sizes that I'd love to get sent out for you guys. If you haven't gotten entered into my giveaway yet, go over onto my Facebook page, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, which I am almost there, I only need like 75 more, my channel will officially be monetized, and I will be doing that big giveaway that I posted about on my Facebook. Thank you for watching another video of mine. I know it's only like my 8th one, but there's already like 4,000 of you watching me, 5,000 of you watching me, and that's insane because I just started.